Man, look, throw that bitch over.
It ain't going on there if it ain't right with that pop. You better come up with the best shit you can come up in your head, nigga.
There you go. That's on that big, you gotta rip that up.
You can't fuck that up.
Look. I got juice in my cup, but it ain't what you think. So if you ask for me, I probably tell you can't drink it. You see my ship, yeah, I'm about to what sink it. Go to the bank and go get more bank. But see what you niggas think ain't the same. What be going through my brain ever since I was a little strain. Hanging from a noodle, a nigga had to get a fucking out from a poodle. A nigga had to be a big dog. Couldn't be chilling in the backyard with y'all. I had to go and get mine by my own. The niggas know every day I'm smoking on the strong, talking on the phone, message race. Cause every day go another nigga gon' hate. See, I don't get caught up in your Facebook and MySpace. Matter of fact, stay the fuck out of my face. I'm from 1980, where it was crazy. Man, my daddy grew up shady, and we still got a bad fucking connection. But I know one thing is blood, so it's a good connection. And blood thicker than water. Every time I look up in the fucking eyes of my son and my daughter, and I pray to the